In the beginning, there was only darkness, a silence so vast that even light hadn't yet learned to speak, and yet, somewhere in that darkness, something impossible stirred. Billions of years ago, when the universe was just 5% of its current age, scientists discovered something that shouldn't have been there at all, a black hole, so massive, so ancient, that it defied every law we thought we understood. Its name: J0313-1806, its weight, over 1 billion suns, its age, more than 13 billion years. But how could that be? Black holes are born from dying stars, collapsing under their own gravity, and growing slowly, by consuming gas, stars, and even other black holes. That takes time, billions of years. But J0313-1806 appeared just 670 million years after the Big Bang. It's like finding an adult giant in a world where infants have just opened their eyes. This is not supposed to happen. When astronomers first saw it, their instruments trembled. Its light, a quasar's blinding beacon, burned brighter than 1 trillion suns. The radiation was so intense that it drowned out the galaxy around it, a cosmic furnace, powered by gravity itself. But that was the mystery. How did such a monster form, so early, when there shouldn't have been enough matter, or time, to build it? Some scientists proposed a radical idea. What if J0313-1806 wasn't born from a star at all? What if it was born directly from the collapse of massive clouds of primordial gas, a shortcut in cosmic evolution, a black hole that skipped the stellar phase entirely? Others whispered something even stranger. Maybe this black hole came from the death of a universe before ours, that perhaps, when the last universe collapsed into darkness, a few black holes survived the rebirth, passing through the Big Bang, as if carrying the memory of creation itself. If that's true, then J0313-1806 isn't just a relic of the early universe, it's a messenger from before time began. Astronomers around the world began to watch, measuring its light, its heat, its every flicker. The deeper they looked, the more questions they found. Its radiation revealed winds moving at nearly 20% the speed of light, tearing matter apart, feeding the growing beast at its core. This wasn't just a black hole, it was a cosmic engine rewriting the structure of its galaxy, and maybe the laws of physics themselves. But beyond the science lies something hauntingly beautiful, because every photon that reaches our telescopes from J0313-1806 has traveled for over 13 billion years. It began its journey before Earth existed, before the Milky Way took shape, before atoms formed the first breath of life. When you look at its faint light, you are not just looking back in time, you are looking into the memory of the universe. Think about it. This light left its source long before our sun was born. It crossed oceans of nothingness, untouched, unbroken, and tonight, it ends its journey in your eyes, for all we know. J0313-1806 may no longer exist. The light we see today might be a ghost, a silent echo of something long gone, yet in that echo, there is wonder and truth, because it reminds us that even in the darkest corners of creation, there is brilliance. Even in chaos, there is order, and even in destruction, there is life waiting to begin again. Maybe the universe itself was born from a black hole, and when it ends, maybe it will give birth to another, a never-ending cycle of death and rebirth, each universe a whisper inside the last. So the next time you look up at the stars, remember this: out there, beyond galaxies and time, there are monsters that should not exist, and yet they do. They shine, they grow, and they remind us that the impossible is only what we haven't yet understood. If that fills you with wonder, if you feel that quiet pull toward the infinite, stay with us, because the universe still holds secrets we can't even imagine. This is Beyond Universe show, where every ending is just the beginning.